Hi everyone. Now let's talk about arithmetic operators. So as we know, operators are used for calculations and comparison purpose. And now in this session, we are going to discuss about arithmetic operators. So now let's see what are the arithmetic operators and how it will be useful. See, arithmetic operators are common concept for all programming language. If you observe any programming language, you take C, C++ or Java, whatever. If you observe any type of programming language or you can say any database language, operators are common and core concept. In Python, arithmetic operators are one of the most important topics to understand. So if you want to do many calculations and if you want to understand programming concepts very quickly, and if you want to build efficient script, then you need to understand the first core concept, that is arithmetic operators. Okay, so it can be used for calculation part in Python. So most of these arithmetic operators are used for calculation part in Python programming language. For every symbol or operator, there is unique kind of operation. That means for any, if you observe any symbol, then we have unique meaning for that. So in Python programming, okay, so arithmetic operators are used to perform various mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and etc. So many operators are there to do the calculation part. These operators carry out the arithmetic computations. So arithmetic computations will be, like you can say, as we discussed, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that. So this is all about the information related arithmetic operators. Now what are the arithmetic operators are there in Python programming language? If you observe, then let's see, those are addition and then subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and floor division and exponent. So here we need to understand few key points here for arithmetic operators with comparing other programming language. See here, addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, these are pretty much equal to other programming language. In Python also we have. Now we need to understand floor division. Floor division here, the symbol representation and symbol, these symbols are different with division and floor division. So the main difference, division and floor division, we will have that return type format. Okay, so we will get to know in the practical session completely what is the main difference by seeing that example, then you can able to get. Okay, so here if you observe a equal to 1 and then b equal to 2, you can observe here, if you do a by b, that means 1 by 2, you can get output like 0.5. Okay, so this is a floating output format, right? So when you observe here floor division, the same the calculation part is same. When you do floor division a by b, then the output is like one floor division by 2 with two symbols, then output is 0. So floating will not come, and because two integers are there, then even though two integer symbols are there or values are there, we are getting floating output, right? When we go for floor division, then we will not get floating output, it will be getting only 0, because when we have two integers, the return type format always either integer, sorry, either it will be an integer or float. But what will happen for floor division, it will terminate the scale value. So we have precision and scale everywhere, right? So that means precision is integer number, scale is a pointer numbers. So here pointer values will be erased or scale values will be erased from floor division. Okay, few areas as per the client requirement, if If it is required to use, then we have to use. So if you want to get more information, then we can see in the practical sessions. And exponent also, with compared to other programming language, we will have only one star. So there you can represent multiplication. Then here we have exponent with two stars. So we need to understand these two important areas in arithmetic operators for Python programming language. So mainly these arithmetic operators are used for calculation part. Okay, so we will be discussing more examples in the practical sessions. So thank you and see you in the next class.